Every serious builder operates inside a room, the invisible execution environment, where all your work actually happens every single day. For a solo operator, that room fills up fast with scattered goals, half-finished tasks, open decisions, personal projects, and constant pressure of calendar commitments. You try to manage this through manual force and grit. But beneath that activity, your mental load reaches maximum capacity. Unmade choices pile up into decision debt. You lose sight of true priorities, trapped behind a wall of open loops. High performers fail when their execution signals become completely scattered, regardless of their level of ambition. Activity continues and the hours are logged, but clarity drops. You are no longer executing the highest leverage tasks in your system. Managing this mental room purely through manual effort forces you to fight low-level friction, which inevitably caps your potential. When you scale that environment up to a full team, the invisible walls of that single room expand into a massive, interconnected network. You are now managing cross-functional projects, endless meetings, overlapping tasks, and documents scattered across a dozen different platforms. Individual friction compounds. Minor delays and miscommunications snowball into systemic execution gaps across the entire organization. This triggers project drift. An initiative slows down quietly, a critical task loses its owner, or a meeting ends without any follow-through. Traditional management tools, like static dashboards and weekly check-ins, break down under this complexity. They record what happened yesterday, but they cannot read the room today. As the operational room grows, manual management fails to detect where systemic resistance is actually rising. Levera enters as a unified AI chief of staff, purpose-built to read the signals within this complex room. It monitors your execution signals to detect exactly what is moving, what is stuck, and importantly, what remains unsaid. The system operates on a principle from Yeshai systems theory. Production does not come from raw effort alone. Production accelerates when clarity, useful context, and leverage are intentionally and systematically increased. It instantly slows when friction, external blockers, and project drift are allowed to take over. Levera turns this theory into reality, identifying exactly where resistance is building inside your operations before it causes a failure. By transforming invisible friction into clear data, Levera proves that scaling production requires intelligent engineering rather than just working harder. When true execution intelligence finally replaces your pure reactive effort, the entire operating environment instantly snaps into immediate alignment. Your AI chief of staff filters a noise to reveal which open decisions must be closed and which tasks need to be paused. It identifies delegation opportunities, removing the founder or operator as the primary bottleneck in their own system. The room is always speaking. Levera provides the translation layer required to actually hear it. This creates a psychological shift from reactive scrambling toward a state of calm, proactive executive control. By revealing the hidden signal and pinpointing the exact location of resistance, Levera identifies the highest leverage move to make next. Stop relying on brute effort to manage the chaos. Turn effort into leverage. Join the Levera waitlist and create your AI chief of staff.